Hi, AP friends and scholars, and welcome to the week of October 12th. I hope you all have a wonderful start to your week. Before it gets too far underway, I wanted to give you a quick overview of what you're working on this week. If you scroll down, you will see that it is fine line time. The much anticipated fine line is here. We're going to be working on building a fine line analysis this week together. You'll notice that things will look slightly different this week. As you scroll down into our task list, I have the tasks for Monday and Tuesday already posted as of Monday morning. Those of you who are at home on Monday and Tuesday will be doing the same thing that those of you who are in class on Monday and Tuesday are doing. On Wednesday morning, I'd like you all to check in to see what your tasks for Wednesday are. And then Thursday and Friday, we'll be doing something similar to what we're doing Monday and Tuesday. Those of you at home will be doing the same thing as those of you in class on Thursday and Friday. And you're going to want to check back on Thursday for the list of tasks for those 2 days as well.